Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to watch YouTube TV on a MacBook. To watch YouTube TV on your MacBook using the AirDroid Cast Screen Mirroring app, first, download the app on both your mobile device and Mac. Then, open the app on your Mac and choose the connection method. You can use a wireless network, AirPlay, or a USB cable. For a local network, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. After that, scan the cast code or enter the code from your Mac into your mobile device, then tap on Start Casting from your phone. Now, a request will be sent to your Mac. Here, click on Allow to enable the connection. Next, a permission message will appear on your phone. Tap on Enable and then Start Now. Your mobile screen with YouTube TV will now display on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.